If you are a content creator or making educational videos, you already know this. Filming is fun part. Editing is where it turns into hours of work, especially if you are using something like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. They are very heavy, they are technical, and half of the feature in there you are never even going to touch it. That's where Movavi Video Editor comes in. It's one of the easiest way to edit videos. You drag your footage and start editing. That's it. And it is not just simple, it's actually packed with useful stuff like presets, pre-made elements, text effects. You can drop in with one click. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you can do with Movavi and how much easier it makes to whole editing process. So let's get started. First of all, you have to come on this website, their movavi.com. Here you can download basically their software. So after downloading and signing, something will open like this. This is the interface of Movavi Video Editor. So Movavi doesn't give you only editor, it gives you their video editor, video converter, and screen recorder. If you want to use one of them, you can buy their subscription and you can try it out yourself. So for this video, we are going to use video editor. So I will just launch. Now in the bottom we have timeline where we can drop our footage, and in the top we have this canvas where we can see our footage, what's going on. And then in the left side we have this navigation bar, or you can say a bunch of elements which we can use to edit our videos like audio, text, transitions, effects, elements, and packs as well. So right now I'm using free version of it. Some of these things are paid. For example, this is only available in premium subscription. So if you like this software, you can explore their pricing as well. So now to test it out, what you have to do is you have to just drag one of your videos. So let me just go and drag one video. So there we go. As you can see, this is my raw video. There are some gaps and of course there are some issues as well. So instead of I do go and cut the layer manually, so what I can do is I can use the Movavi's AI which detects a gap. So in order to remove these kind of silences, what I will do, I will just right click on the layer and then I have this audio. There are more features, for example sound autocorrect, audio effect. They are only available for premium players, but this is noise removal is one of my best and favorite tool which I use in different application, but I am considering to buy this subscription. But we have to remove the silences, so I will use silence remover. So it will detect. You can basically do manually as well. For example, if you want your audio, if your audio is lower than 3, then it will auto detect. So I will go for auto and remove the silences, and as you can see here, it removes that automatically. Now this is the advantage. It's saved tons of times. I mean, like if you go and manually cut the silence, how much the silence is, you have just one button and you click and everything just got removed. And with the help of this, you can basically save a lot of time. Now we have cut the audio. Now the transcript. So what I will do, I want to create this audio transcript. So I will right click again, go to audio, and you will see this auto subtitle. So just simply click on it, and from here you have two options. Like if you have original language, you can select, or you can just give Movavi to detect by himself. You can even translate into different languages as well. So I will just keep the default settings and then I will click on the generate button, and it will take just few seconds to generate the subtitles for our video. Now earlier in Premiere Pro, I have to add manual subtitles for my video. So it used to take a lot of time. Now you can see it has generated me this caption. Now from here, what you can do is you can change the style of these subtitles. You have already pre-made some of these presets which you can use. For example, let's suppose I want to use this one or this one. So I can just simply click on it and it will start downloading. There we go. And this is how you can add any preset into your script. Now let's move to design. Basically, I did the style of your fonts. For example, if I want to change the font of this subtitle, I can change it from here. If I want to change the color to red, I can do that as well. So if I want to highlight a active word, I can just simply click on this button and it will highlight that word. So That's the advantage of Movavi's auto subtitle feature. Now let's move to our next part, which is our tools part, where you can get different tools like noise gate, and there are some premium tools also are available. Now we have already checked out the audio part. Now let's move to video part. Here you can do a lot of things, like if you want to adjust the color of your video, you can use these presets for your video. You don't need to do color correction manually. Then next we have crop and rotate. With the help of this, you can basically rotate your clips if you want. Then we have this position, where you want to put your clips. For example, I want this middle clip into the side, so I don't need to go manually and make some adjustment. I have some preset which I can use, so it has already cropped itself and position himself right area. And one of the things which I like is I can basically move this footage as well. So if I don't like that the selected part, I can basically do it manually and select the part which I want. Now then we have scene detection. With the help of this, you can automatically detect changes in the video scene and cuts the video into separate clips according to these changes. So for example, this is the recording, and here it little bit changing the clip. As you can see here, it cuts that wherever the scene is changing, so it helps a lot. Now let's move to our audio section, where you will have some of pre-made music by Movavi. You don't need to go to different application to find good music. So I like this music, so I can just drag this. Let me just install it into our Movavi, and that's it. Now if you play, and there we go. Now there are some categories as well of the music, like abstract, chill out. If you want different kind of music to your video according to your vibe, you can choose from here. Then we have sound effects, which are pre-built in Movavi, which you can choose directly from here and put into your video. So if your video wants sound effects, you can use it from this Movavi sound presets. So let's say I like this one, so I can just simply drag into my timeline and it will optimize that clip as well. Now let's listen. There we go. So there are a lot of sound effects which you can try for your video. Now let's move to our text, and I especially like the text area of the Movavi because it has a lot of good designs like this install, bright suitcase. So if you like something like this, you can just drag or install it here. Let me just drag into my timeline. Now there we go. So I have added this text effect over here, and this is animated text. Now if I want to change something, I can easily change it from this design area. Like if I want to change the text, if I want to change the line, if I want to change something else, I can do that as well. This is only available for premium subscription users. So whenever you see these kind of mark, you cannot export them, but you can use them, but you cannot export them for your personal use. Some of the categories which you can see, there are some animated text effect are also available. Let's use this one, and there we go. This is free version. This is available for free. So for example, if you want to highlight a part, or if you want to give a description about some kind of feature, you can use these kind of text effect over there. Then we have this abstract. There are a lot of different text animation are available in Movavi, which you can use. Now we have then transition. Transition also available in the form of presets which you can use, and transition are very important. And in the Premiere Pro, it takes a lot of time to put transitions. You have to either add a plugin or you have to create it manually. Now if you see, let's say I want to add this beautiful transition, so just one click and it will add that transition into my clip. There we go. There are different kind of transition also are available which you can use. So there are some abstract, basic, cinematic. If you like educational work, you can use that as well. Then we have some effect, and the effects are pretty cool over here, which you can see. Let's say if I want to give a highlight effect or different effect, I can give it using this one. So you can add these kind of effect into your video. Let's add this effect which looks cool. There we go. You can basically add these kind of effect into your videos. There are tons of effects available which you can try. Then we have elements. Elements means these kind of things which you can add or use in your videos, like this fire. If you have fire regarding video, you can use these animations. There are tons and tons animation are available. And also they have pack, like for example, if you have a kind of like educational video, you can use their pack as well. Let's add this pack. For example, let me just give you an example. So this is a pack, this is action pack. In that action pack you have some 6 alerts and 9 overlay effects which you can use. And let's go to our educational pack where you will find 21 frames and then sticker. It has around like 100, and then you have 700 titles which you can use in your video. So there are different kind of educational packs are available which you can use for your video. It depends on your creativity. Movavi has a lot of tools which you can use. So yeah, that's it, the overview of this video. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.